How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I want to show you a very interesting AI tool that actually goes beyond what most artificial intelligence platforms normally do. When we think about AI tools today, we usually think of things like ChatGPT, image generators, or software that helps you write text, summarize documents, or generate code. But Pine AI does something very different. Instead of just in generating content, Pine AI actually takes action on your behalf. Take a look at this. It can actually contact companies, send emails, negotiate bills, cancel subscriptions, request funds, and even make phone calls all automatically. So instead of spending your time dealing with customer service, waiting on hold, or writing emails back and forth, Pine AI basically works as a personal assistant that handles those tasks for you. In this video, I'm gonna show you what Pine AI is, how it works, what it's actually used for, and some real-world examples where it can save you time and money. Let's get started. Using Pine AI is actually very simple. After creating an account, you can get access to the main dashboard where you can create tasks. You basically just describe what you want the AI to do. For example, you could write something like, I want to negotiate a lower monthly phone bill. Or for example, cancel this subscription for me. How cool is that? Once you submit the request, Pine AI may ask you for additional details depending on the task. For example, your account information, a bill or invoice, flight details, documents, or other relevant information. After that, the AI takes over. It can generate professional emails, contact the company, send documents, and monitor responses. In some cases, Pine AI can even make phone calls using an AI voice that communicates with customer service agents. While all of this is happening, you can track the updates directly from the dashboard. It's super simple. Let's say you want to hire a cleaning service for your home. Normally, you would have to search for companies, visit different websites, send multiple messages, explain the service you need, and wait for responses. But with Pine AI, you can simply write something like, contact 3 local cleaning companies and ask for their best quote. Pine AI will then identify service providers in your area and send them a request with the details of the service you actually need. The companies respond, and Pine AI organizes all the quotes for you in one place so you can easily compare them. Instead of spending hours contacting different providers, the AI does all the outreach automatically. Another powerful use case is negotiating recurring bills. This could include things like phone plans, internet services, insurance, subscription services, or other monthly payments. You can ask Pine AI to contact the company and negotiate a better deal. For example, you might upload your phone bill and ask Pine to negotiate a lower monthly price without changing your contract. The AI will then contact the provider, ask about promotions, loyalty discounts, or competitor pricing and try to secure a better offer. And the interesting part is that Pine often charges based on results. So if it saves you money, it takes a percentage of the savings. That means that Pine AI is incentivized to actually negotiate a better outcome. It's gonna be best for both of you. Another very useful scenario involves airline compensation. If a flight gets delayed or canceled, you may be eligible for refunds or compensation depending on the situation. But the process of requesting that compensation can be complicated. You often have to send formal requests, attach documents, and wait for responses. With Pine AI, you can simply submit your flight details, the airline, flight number, date, booking reference, and delay information, and Pine AI will then generate a professional compensation request and send it to the airline's claims department. It also tracks the response and automatically follows up if necessary. So the AI basically handles the entire claim process for you. Now, as I mentioned before, a very interesting aspect of Pine AI is its pricing model. Creating an account is usually free, but for certain tasks, Pine charges based on successful outcomes. For example, if the AI negotiates a lower bill and saves you money, it takes a percentage of the savings as its fee. In other cases, there may be small fees depending on the type of tasks being handled, so keep that in mind. But overall, the idea is that the platform only gets paid when it actually delivers value. And honestly, this is pretty amazing. Pine AI represents a very interesting evolution in how we use artificial intelligence. Instead of just generating text or answering questions, it acts more like a digital personal assistant that can actually solve problems in the real world. It handles communication with companies, negotiates bills, organizes responses, and tracks everything for you. Tools like this continue to evolve. We may soon see AI assistants that manage a lot of the administrative tasks of our lives. And honestly, that could save people a huge amount of time and money. If you want to try Pine AI now, and I really think you should, I'll leave the direct link in the description of this video. So that's pretty much it. If you enjoy content about technology, artificial intelligence, and the future of tech, don't forget to subscribe to Dan About Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next videos with you guys. Bye bye.